Welcome to our channel. Storm Rider. The Toyota Land Cruiser 80 series is a legendary SUV that has earned its place in automotive history for its combination of rugged off-road capability and refined comfort. Released in 1990, this vehicle quickly became a favorite among off-road enthusiasts, families, and those who needed a reliable workhorse with a bit of luxury. With a reputation built on durability, the 80 series is still sought after by collectors and adventure seekers today. The 80 series was a significant step forward in the Land Cruiser lineup. While earlier models focused primarily on utilitarian designs, the 80 series introduced more comfort and technology without sacrificing its off-road prowess. It was available in both petrol and diesel engine variants, with options ranging from a 4.0-liter inline-six to a more powerful 4.5-liter V6, depending on the market. This made the 80 series versatile, capable of handling long-distance drives, tough terrains, and heavy towing, all while providing a smooth driving experience. One of the standout features of the 80 series was its advanced 4WD system. It featured full-time four-wheel drive with a locking center differential, which ensured excellent traction no matter the conditions. The system allowed the Land Cruiser to tackle the toughest off-road environments, from rocky mountain trails to desert dunes, with confidence. In addition to its drivetrain, the 80 series was equipped with a sophisticated suspension system, including independent front suspension and coil springs, which provided a more comfortable ride on both paved and unpaved roads. Step inside, the 80 series was a step up in terms of luxury compared to its predecessors. The cabin was spacious and offered seating for up to 7 passengers. Depending on the trim level, the interior featured high-quality materials, wood accents, and plush seating, making it a comfortable ride for long journeys. The dash was well designed, with easy-to-use controls and a straightforward layout, keeping the driver focused on the road and off-road obstacles. When it comes to off-road capability, the 80 series truly shines. With features like a high ground clearance, locking differentials, and an excellent approach and departure angle, it's no wonder the Land Cruiser 80 series is a go-to choice for serious off-roaders. Whether you're navigating through muddy trails, climbing rocky hills, or crossing streams, the 80 series was designed to tackle it all with ease. Over the years, the 80 series earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Its durable build quality, robust components, and powerful engines made it a favorite for military, commercial, and recreational use worldwide. People still take the 80 series on epic overland adventures, and its appeal has only grown stronger with time. Today, the Land Cruiser 80 series is highly regarded by classic car enthusiasts and off-road fans alike. Many still seek out well-maintained examples for their reliability, rugged charm, and potential for restoration. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to take on an off-road adventure or simply admire it as a part of Toyota's legacy, the Land Cruiser 80 series continues to be an iconic SUV that stands the test of time. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're driving a piece of automotive history, one that's built to last and ready to take on any challenge that lies ahead.